What's up guys, Everything Apple Pro here, and I wanted to show you something a bit unusual. There's a new product that caught my attention a few days ago, and I wanted to review it for you guys because, it just seems like there's not enough things in your day-to-day basis that you need to charge. I mean, your iPhone, your watch, your headphones, your computer, iPad, and now here is a new one. It's called the Beam OLED badge, or basically just the Beam. So what it is a smart button that on a day-to-day basis will actually just display images, badge art, really anything you want it to, GIFs even, on your clothing. And it's also a fashion statement, so it just seems quite interesting. It looks pretty simple, just like a regular badge here, but this contains a 400 by 400 pixel organic LED display, so matching that of your iPhone 10. I think it might look pretty cool. You can put anything you really want on it. So let's take a look and see if it's a waste of money or if it's actually something pretty neat. I mean, from the pictures, from the promo artwork, it did seem pretty neat. All right, so here it is. Surely one of the strangest iPhone accessories I've ever reviewed. Of course, this does work with Android as well. But the essential use for it seems to be for campaigning, for getting your message across. If you guys want to walk around as a beacon to your cause, you can do that. Personally, I would just put some stupid GIFs on there and have it play all day. But let's go ahead and check it out regardless. It's a very interesting product despite what you use it for. So let's check out the build quality here. Very curious. It's a very small gadget, smaller than I thought it would be. And the way it works is not through pins, but through actual magnets. It appears though that there is a pin version for it too. All right, so this is what you get inside. You get a couple magnets to hold it up in case you lose one. I guess you have another one in there. You have a strap. Oh, I guess to like put it on your backpack or a keychain or something. That's pretty cool. And a little case for it, so it doesn't get damaged if it gets dropped. All right, let's take a look at it. So that is extremely small, actually. Wow. It has a magnet on the back here. So let me try one of these pads here. Wow. Quite strong, so it'll be able to work through several layers of clothing as it's intended. But how does the display look? It's a very tiny one. There it is. You can get the outer border in black or white. And the interesting thing is there's a panic button. So up to 4 people connected with this will get a notice when you actually click panic on it in case of angry protesters or something. I don't know. But let me see, how do you turn this on? That one is definitely not the power button. So that is an organic LED display. It's immediately apparent. Very dark blacks around the text here. Quite vibrant and crisp just on those colors right there. But all right, I think that's all that it's gonna do until we connect it to our iPhone. So let me go ahead and download the app and I'll be right back. All right, so with the app downloaded, we have to connect it to our Beam. All right, so I managed to set it up on another iPhone. For some reason, I'm having connectivity issues on the iPhone 10, even after the new update pushed out to fix it today. In any case, it does work. So this is how you get that to work. You basically go to create one, or you can select one from your library here. Now you can do GIFs and videos as well, but I wasn't able to actually get a video GIF to work. For whatever reason, it just conks out and becomes a picture. So I'm not sure if that's an intended feature, but there is a section where you can get certain GIFs that are optimized for it over here. And there's several sections. Maybe it's a thing where they don't want you to use any third-party ones. I'm really not sure why, but let's go ahead and use this one here and go next. Just to show you guys how this works. So you can go ahead and customize it and then beam it to your device. And you can draw on them. You can do whatever you want, really. And it does take a little while for it to get sent over to your device. I'm not sure why, but as you can see, there is a loading indicator. For a little GIF, it takes quite a bit of time to get it on there. But in any case, it's kind of an interesting little device, pretty thin, but for $100 after just a few minutes hands-on impression, I'm not sure. I mean, yeah, you can find some use with it, but the display is so tiny, not that bright, but you can change the brightness settings here. If you actually go into the settings over here, you can go all the way up on the brightness, and it does get a little bit better, but still pretty dim in comparison. In bright sunlight, I don't see this thing being very useful. GIF status doesn't really work that well for some reason. I'm not sure what's going on. It's not even playing this GIF for me. All right, so if not GIFs, let's try something else. I have an image on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and send it over, see how that looks. But I'm not having much luck with the GIF section. They're just not working on this thing. Definitely something they'll need to fix. All right, and great. This thing has went up into total lockout mode. For whatever reason, just froze on me. Really not great impressions for a new product that costs this much. It's very slow, unresponsive. Oh, there's something going on now. Homer Simpson is burned into the display. I'm not really sure what's going on, but this thing is not doing very well. Impressions are pretty bad so far. All right, I've restarted it. It has been bricked almost. It literally will not connect to my device, so I'm gonna try once again before I give up hope here and smash this thing. Super annoying. All right, still no luck, so I beamed over another one after it started responding. This is what it should be looking like. Instead, it's a static image with buffering going on. So really not happy with this. It is an interesting concept though. I gotta give him that. To wear this on yourself and project something to other people. From a distance, you know, it's really hard to tell. If you really get up close and maybe you start making out the details, it's pretty dim. It's an interesting idea, poor execution. Another thing that's going to go in the bin of, I don't know, why did they make it? Kind of novel, but why? You know. So I got it to work, and this is theoretically what it should be like. I mean, you should be seeing this GIF without the white blinking. And now I'm unable to pair it with my device. Like, this has been nothing but frustration. Connection issue after connection issue. These guys really need to figure their stuff out. This has been a terrible first impression for me. Like, I would not even consider going back to this product after something like this. So definitely would not advise you to spend $99 on this. So there it is, guys. Just wanted to share a pretty interesting iPhone accessory with you. Totally unnecessary. I guess kind of cool. You guys might see these on eBay in a year or so for like 20 bucks. Maybe pick one up then, and hopefully the support will be better by then. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace.